Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 1st of March 2020. It's 3:13 a.m. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Today we'll drop two strategies, one on the new channel and one on the old channel. So these are the rules for this second strategy. We'll be trading volatility 10 index in and out, goes outside. So these are the rules. This is the link to sign up for a free trader account. So these are the links to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel. So we drop one strategy on this channel and one on this channel today, 1st of March 2020. And watch both strategies. After signing up for a free trader account, make sure you use the webtrader to trade. All these infos will be pasted in the video description on YouTube for each videos. So let's get back to the trading. So as you can see, I've logged into the trading platform. So we'll be trading the volatility 10 in and out, goes outside. So we'll trade 5 times and we'll make 50 USD. So let me open the trade volatility 10 index. So we're going for the trade number 1 right now. So I'll change this to in and out, then I'll click on goes outside. The duration remains 2 minutes, sorry. Then we'll set this to 0.60, then we'll set this to minus 0.99, sorry, minus 0.99, yes, that is it right here, 0.99, then plus 0.60. So I'm going to be staking 2 on 0, depends on what you have in your account. 210, okay. So we make about 51 USD if we trade 5 times, okay. So we'll be clicking purchase after 30 seconds. So once this change to 0, we click on purchase. This is the seconds right here. Once it change to 0, we click on purchase. So what this means is these are entry spots 249. If the price ends if it ends higher than this, we will win, and if it goes lower than this, we will win. So if it goes outside or in between, we will win. So we click on purchase right there, then we'll click on view. So this is let me explain what this really means before the trade close. So this, we have 153 seconds left right here. So these are entry spots. So once these are higher barrier and this is the current spot, this is the entry spot. Once it goes below 248,863, we will win. Once it goes higher than 250,453, we will win as well. So it's 249. This is the higher barrier. We are close to the higher barrier. It's going low again. You still have some time left. It's going high again. 250. Once it's higher than this, we will win. It's low again. 250, 249. It's going low. It's going high again. 250, 002. 250, 142. 250, 063. 420. We are close. 65. You can see we won that trade. This is the higher barrier and this is the exit spot. 7250658, and this is the higher barrier 250453. So the exit spot was higher than the higher barrier we set. So if it also goes lower than this, we will also win as well. So let's go for the second trade after 30 seconds. We'll go for the second trade. Let's say number 2. So once this is in maybe 30 or 40 something seconds, we'll click on purchase again. So once it's in 40 something seconds, we'll click on purchase. These are seconds. Okay, and we click on view right there. So these are, in fact, we are closed already. So these are entry spots 249125. We've already won that trade. These are entry spots 249125. That's 7249,125. These are lower barrier. These are high barrier. So the exit spot was higher. Look at it, 249910, and this is higher barrier we set. So 910 is higher than 725. So we want that second trade. So we'll go for the third trade again after 30 seconds. So we'll start counting again. So once this seconds is in 20 something, we'll click on purchase. In 20 something, we click on purchase right there. 25. Okay, that's our third trade. So these are entry spots. These are the current spots. We are close. We are almost close. We are close. We already won that trade again. We won the third trade again. So let me do the explanation. This is the entry spot 7250.464. These are exit spots 7251.19. This is the higher barrier. So this 19 is higher than our higher barrier. It goes outside our higher barrier. So we want the third trade. So we'll go for the fourth trade. After this, we'll go for the last trade. So we'll wait for 30 seconds. So once this is in 10 seconds, we click on purchase. From 40, we start counting. Once it's in 10 seconds, we click on purchase. From 40, we start counting. So or 17. Okay, 10. We click on purchase, then we click on view. Okay, let's wait. So this is the entry spot 254.53. This is the current spot 250. We are close to the higher barrier. We are moving towards the higher barrier 250. Okay, I'm moving towards the lower barrier right now, 250 again. Is that time? Is the end time? We are close. We already won that trade again. So these are exit spots 251390. This is the entry spot. So our exit spot was higher than the higher barrier we set. So 390 is higher than 053. So we want that trade. Okay, let's go for the last trade. That's trade number 5 after 30 seconds. So we start counting from 50. So once it's in 20 seconds, we click on purchase as 45. As in 20, okay, 20, 19, 18, okay, we click on purchase, then we will click on view. That's our last trade. So these are entry spots 725, and this is the current spot 249. We are close to the lower barrier. It's going high again. This is the current spot 250, 249. Once it goes below this, we'll win. It's going high again. It's moving high. Still going close to a higher barrier. So 250, 249 is moving low again. 250, 202, 250, 250, 249, 250, 836, 250, 249, 98, 780, 552, okay, we want that trade, we want the last trade, but it was on the lower barrier. So this is the lower barrier. We said 249552, and it was lower than our lower barrier. It's 249504, so it goes outside our lower barrier. So that's how we won the last trade. As you can see, our balance there, and see the balance, we made about $52. So thanks for watching. Bye.